What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. There are times in life when I want to do something just very satisfying and simple for you, and this is going to be a pretty quick tutorial. Those are famous last words for a guy who did once do a 11-minute episode where 8 minutes was talking and then the rest was cocktail making. I'm just saying. That's probably not going to happen today. This cocktail is created by a guy named Andrew Rice at Attaboy in New York City around 2017. It's called an Apple's Eye Buck. If you have been watching the show for any length of time, that you know that we have been doing bucks quite a bit. And what's great about this category of cocktail is that it is something that you can put any spirit base into and change the whole drink. And yet the kind of supporting characters remain the same. There is a very great drink. I love it very much. I love that category, that style. And this one, created by Andrew Rice, is basically a Thanksgiving version. Since we're getting so close to Thanksgiving, I thought, why not do a apples and rum cocktail for you guys, created by someone who's obviously mastering the art. Okay, so first thing we are going to do is half an ounce of lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of ginger syrup. We're gonna do an ounce of aged rum. I'm using Appleton 12 because I don't have to worry about pour cost, because I'm not doing this for my bar, I'm just doing it at home. And this is gonna be really good. If I was doing it at the bar, I'd probably use like the Appleton XO or something, or the Reserve Blend would be pretty good too. So just saying, if you're worried about cost, you don't have an Appleton 12, or you're using some other aged rum, just go right on ahead and do that. Then we're gonna be using 1 ounce of bonded Applejack. And then we're just going to add some ice to a glass, add some ice to a tin. I'm gonna ignore all you people that get a little crazy when I touch ice with my hands, especially my own. Well, that one's not going in the glass. But when I'm at my own house, but even so, you know, bartenders who keep their hands meticulously clean will touch rocks of ice and stuff. Only the Japanese bartenders have I ever seen actually use tongs. Okay, I'm just saying, just picking up what I'm putting down. And I'm gonna shake it, and I'm gonna look around, because you know what that means. Leandro forgot something. As usual. Let's give it a nice little. I'm gonna want the fine strainer on this one, so I had to go get it out of the sink. I know you guys don't mind when I do that. And then we're just gonna. Then we're gonna give it like a nice little top off. Soda water. And then garnish it
with a toothpick.
With just a toothpick. No, not with just a toothpick. With a piece of ginger candy. We're just gonna put some toothpicks in there. You wanna put them in a V shape, like so. So that they're like that. Maybe that's a little close, but and basically you want it to pinch the side of the glass like that, so it just stands there. This can get topped off a little bit more. Let's grab our ginger-colored sippy cylinder. Now that we've hung out with Nick from Cocktail Chemistry, I feel like I kind of co-own that phrase. I've adopted it from him, and I think he doesn't mind. I'm taking a sip now.
Does he know that you're saying it?
I have no idea if he knows if I'm saying it. Ooh, that is fantastic. Oh yeah. That right there. It's gingery. It's appley. It's got that nice rum right on the end. It's just sweet enough. It's got that nice ginger to it. Ooh, it's so good. But it is not overly sweet. The ginger syrup is what's carrying the sugar content, and that is what's kind of balancing it all out. And then you also, you know, I mean, like Applejack, it tastes a bit like apples, you know, and the rum, the aged rum obviously can be a little bit sweet too. So you've got that nice, but it's like a nice, I mean, this is Thanksgiving in a glass, my friends. This is like move over October, here comes November. Or move over early November, here comes late November. It is the holiday season. So drink up, my friends. Enjoy your apple eyes buck. Your apple eyes buck? Your apple's eye buck. All right, guys, if you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe. And then you can check us out on Patreon. Go to patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly for awesome exclusive content that we do there. If you happen to go to Staggerly Goods and want to get an apron, definitely you can use our discount code. Obviously, you should. Barfly SLG20 at checkout. Check out Surfside Sips. We've got a discount code there. Barfly20 at checkout or Barfly at checkout. Both of them work, actually. And then, I don't know. I'll see you. Hit like and subscribe. And I said that twice, but then also on top of that, hit the bell icon. If you want to see where we get this awesome gear, our nice professional bartending gear, just check out our store. It is made by Barfly Mixology Gear, and you can check out our affiliate links. We have a whole bunch that link to either specific pieces of tools, or you can just go to our store to see all of the collection. That would be amazon.com/shop/educatedbarfly. Then we get a little kickback, and that's really great. So after all that, after you've done all that, you watched the video and everything, go watch the next video, and I'll see you on another time.